Hello and welcome. This is 30 Days Spoken Ma Language and Culture Orientation. My name is Teto Oletutuma. On today's video, as we continue to look at the settlement in East Africa, I would wish us to call attention today to geographical names, names of places around Nairobi and around Kenya that have their root in Maasai words. I would also wish us to look at some of the main economic activities of the community as they settled into East Africa. So we are going to look first of all at the economic activities, like I told you. So the main economic activity, of course, had to be pastoralism. Some of these sub-tribes had to be semi-nomadic, so, like some of us now, since I was born, we have never moved anywhere. Another main economic activity is hunter-gatherer. As well, I'll mention and say that all these different socioeconomic occupations were based on the sub-tribes. Some sub-tribes were specialized in this. Like, for example, this hunter-gatherer kind of lifestyle was particular to the Dorobo. As well, we had blacksmiths. These were people who worked on metal and produced these weapons and instruments or tools and implements from iron. The blacksmiths were sub-tribe of Irkunono. As well, we have prophets, yes, and I will admit this as well were from a particular sub-tribe, predominantly now a clan. As a sub-tribe it was as well assimilated into the other sub-tribes, and these were in Kidongi, I believe, as well, Ilemuya. And with all due respect and humility, I must confess that my mother is from Ngidongi. And yes, these people are known to have supernatural powers, not necessarily that I believe, even as much as I was told of interesting adventures of my grandfather, Ole Saruba, who was from the Ngidongi clan. He really had peculiarities. I could confess some of this myself, but for the benefit of this lesson, not necessarily that he had power over any other sub-clan, I will refer, sub-clan or sub-tribe, I will prefer to keep that. So as well, that is where the main dominant occupations were, as well the names. So Nairobi means a place of cold water. Nakuru is Orkuroro Lomanyat, Nakuru, that is. It was a place where people used to come and meet. Nanyuki, Red Waters, Urgwasingishu, where Urgwasingishu came from. Olodo Tedit, Red Dust, that is Eldoret. Eldama Ravine, Oldamo Robil, that is a good, sweet aroma. Abades, Nabarnendare, that is sheep shaving bushes. Londiani is Loldiani, that is bamboo forest cover. Longonot or Longnongot, place of volcanic caves. Naivasha or Naivasha, massive water region. Gilgil or Ngirgiri, area covered by a species of a plant, Kor Ologirgir. Or Kalau or Lol Kalau, along Kalau, land of many anthills. Limitata or Muteta, the region known for sweet grass and lakes around Urmuteta. Langata or Langat. It's a place where warriors used to meet their lovers, or Langat, yes, that's where lovers used to meet. Mayu, impassable or place hard to pass. Ngong or Ngongwemun, yes, that's an ancient rhino water spring. Mpagasi is a non-Pegasi celebration point for community age sets. Kitengela or Kitengela, associated with miniskirt girls from urban bandus around Nairobi. Nyeri is a land associated with green pastures. Udhiru or Osero, a bushy land of wild animals. Kajiado or Kejuado, associated with a long river currently called Olkejuado. Narok, Yankare Narok, clean waters of Narok River. Baringo, Emparingo, land associated with caves and good grassland. Dagoreti, Ndiaguret, named after a fearful dog that only barks to warriors when they go for cattle rides. Yeah? Soisambu, the land of many grey rocks. Kidong, Imurwo Kidongi, the original habitat of all Maasai prophetic land and cultural practices. Nyahururu and Naihurur, the name given from the noisy and scaring Nyahururu Falls. Menangai and or Menanga, the valley of death. Thika comes from Sika. The land was believed to be fertile and good for animal rearing. Rongai, Ongara Rongai, narrow plain lands. Togoto, in Osogono, the land was occupied by a dense herbal tree called Osogonoi. Oh, really? Never knew that. Rothigiti, Olo Segetek. Yeah, also that was filled with that plant of Olo Segetek. Limuru, Oloburu. And you could get this book to get many more of them. Emudweteto, did you know that South Tetu, that is a name? Ologeri, yeah. It was named after, it was reserved for a man called Teto, Emurua Eteto, and that's where South Teto is. And you could go and find some of all these as well, Kiserian, Kitale, Musongari, or Mashengiro, Mushirinkiri. Ngaren Kobut, Ngarendare, Ndaragua, Noldaragua, Loresho. Yes, all these have Maasai roots. And so, for the benefit of the length of the video, that is what we are going to share today in today's video. Check out some of these resource materials we refer, and we will come back to some of these meanings and, to be sure, reclaim the glory that these places had from their roots. And that is today's video. My name is Teto Oletutuma.